Hunner Feet in the Air, based upon a true story. One Friday night on the Friarton Bridge, my car did weave and slip and nudge. It had a wee bump, it widnae budge. Man, 100 feet in the air, oh. I'd had a beer or twa or mair to celebrate my ma's 90 years. I got out the car to stagger and swear, man, 100 feet in the air, oh. Dirrim, the Silvery Tay, Dirrim, my sair big toe. Dirrim, drap, Dalwhinnie, 100 feet in the air, oh. But what a grand view o' the Silvery Tay, as it passes Perth to Bonnie Dundeh, and in scudding clouds the moon louped away, man, 100 feet in the air, oh. I was right at the edge, and I stubbed my toe, and tummled my wilks to the banks below. A wee graze on my heid was a' for to show, man, 100 feet in the air, oh. Dirrim, the Silvery Tay, Dirrim, my sair big toe. Dirrim, drap, Dalwhinnie, 100 feet in the air, oh. A hauf o' Dalwhinnie was in my breeks, and when I fell it never broke or leaked. To steady my nerves I wet my beak, man, 100 feet in the air, oh. I climbed up the brae back to my car, I was trying to see if it would start, when a blue light flashed in the rear mirror, man, 100 feet in the air, oh. Dirrim, the Silvery Tay, Dirrim, my sair big toe. Dirrim, drap, Dalwhinnie, 100 feet in the air, oh. The policeman, he said to me, man, you smell like a distillery. Telling the truth, you're lying, said he. You'll get 100 days in the jail, oh. I was banned and fined in a court o' law. Well, the lesson here is clear for a'. Never stub your toe, or you're surely fa' 100 feet in the air, oh. Dirrim, the Silvery Tay, Dirrim, my sair big toe. Dirrim, drap, Dalwhinnie, 100 feet in the air, oh.